How to fix forgot Apple ID password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen. Further tap on the password and security option and then go ahead and tap on the change password option you see there. Further, enter your iPhone passcode and you will be required to then go ahead and set a new Apple ID password. Do that and see if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go back and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for iforgot.apple.com. Further, go ahead and enter your Apple ID email and then tap on continue. You will then be required to choose your preferred verification, so choose either email or phone number, and you will receive an OTP. So enter the OTP sent to you and then verify and set a new password. Make sure to use a strong password which contains letters and numbers. And the next fix is you can use another trusted Apple device. So if you have family members' iPhone or a different iPad or Mac, then open settings in that particular device and tap on Apple ID and then on password and security. Further, tap on Forgot Apple ID password and then follow on screen instructions and reset the Apple ID password. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix and recover Apple ID password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.